Hi there, my name is Anais and I am a solutions architect here at DBT Labs. And today we are going to create our first DBT project repository in GitHub for DBT Cloud administrators. Doing this is going to allow us to connect DBT Cloud directly to GitHub and get all the benefits of version control in managing your transformation logic. If you don't already, make sure you have a GitHub account and have been invited to your team's GitHub organization. This will make it easy for you to create a repo for the rest of your team to access in the future. Once you have confirmed that, let's create a repository. So I am currently in GitHub working off of my company space called My Cool Company. And I'm going to create a new repository by clicking on this green button here called Create Repo. After I do that, there's a few fields I have to fill out. So the repository name is going to be one of those. That's going to be more so tied to the name that represents your DBT project. We've seen examples of this like internal analytics or DBT project, whatever makes sense with the team that is going to be using DBT. I've decided to go with my DBT project. And as far as descriptions goes, these are completely optional, but it's just a quick synopsis of how folks should be using this repository. So I'm going to say a DBT project for managing data transformations. We could make this public, but I want to keep this private for now. I can always switch it over to public later. This part is going to be the most important. We want to keep all of these blank, especially the add or readme file. DBT is actually going to cover this when we initialize our project later, so we don't have to click this button. Please, please, please make sure you do not click this. All right, so everything here is blank. We are going to click Create Repository. And when we create the repository, we should have this screen right here. If you followed all the directions correctly, you should see a blank repo like this. And we now have a repository that we can point DBT Cloud to for managing our code and getting all the benefits of version control. Alrighty, that's all I had to cover. See you in a bit.